Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. We are into chapter number 6 of our ebook of short tricks, and this chapter is entitled Conquering the Decimals. Yes, if we have proper attitude and aptitude towards numbers, then decimals are not going to be scary for us. So to conquer the decimals, we need to know some smart tricks, and this is the intention of this series of videos. In this video, I am going to take up squaring of decimal numbers using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's going to be an amazing trick, and you will see how quickly we will get to the square of big decimal numbers using this amazing trick. And if you want a compilation of all these tricks at one place, then you need to get this ebook of short tricks. What is the way out? Just send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. I'll tell you how to get the nominal costing ebook of short tricks, which will help you in cracking all the competitive exams comfortably. So friends, let's see some of the questions. The first question which I am going to take up is 3.9 square. Now, when I say a plus b whole square, then obviously we have to assume some of the digits as a and the other digits as b. So here 3 and 9 are the only two digits, so there is no choice. One of them is a and the other one is b. So what do we do is we write these numbers a square, then 2ab and then b square. A is 3, so 3 square. 2 times a is 3 and b is 9, and finally b square, which is 9 square. So this is 3 square 9, this is 9 3s are 27, 2s are 54, and finally we have 9 square 81. Now one very important thing here is when you have a single digit number as b, then the square of this has to be a 2-digit number. If it is a single digit number like 3 square is 9, then you have to write it as 09 here, and that is one of the basic and important things which you might remember. But sometimes, if even if you don't write it as 09 or 04 as 2 square, it works, and you need to be smart. Where should you write 09 and where not? So that comes with practice. So let's see what happens here. Now I will retain the unit digit 1, carry forward the 8 here. So this becomes 62. So 2, 6 carries forward here. 9 plus 6, 15. So 1521. And where do you put the decimal now? We have one digit after the decimal in the number. So 2 digits after the decimal in the square. That is 15.21 is the square of 3.9. So you can see there are 3 steps which are written here, and all 3 steps slowly will vanish when you start practicing, and surely you are going to reduce the number of steps. Here you can see 6 and 7. So I need a 6 square, then a twice of 6 times 7, and then a 7 square. So this is 36, and this is 12 7s are 84, and finally the 49 here. So retain the 9, carry forward the 4, so 88 means 8, carry forward the 8, so this becomes 44, so 4489, and one digit after decimal means 2 digits after decimal in the answer, that is the square. So 44.89 is the square of 6.7. Let's quicken up now and see 9.1. So 9 square and then twice of 9 times 1 and then 1 square. 9 square 81, this is 18 and this is 1. So I told you we are retaining only one digit, so no need to write 01 here. So retain the 1. 18 means 8, carry forward the 1 here. So this becomes 82. 8281, one digit after decimal, 2 digits after decimal in the answer. 82.81 is the answer for the question. Likewise, now the situation is going to change a little bit. What do we do here? Now if you see carefully, we have 2 digits before decimal and 1 digit after decimal. So that doesn't bother me actually, because I know how to square 2-digit numbers using the short trick. I have already put a video on that. So 32 is to be considered as A and 4 will be considered as B. So 32 square and then twice of 32 times 4 and then the 4 square. So 32 square I know is 1024. Then this is 8, 8 2s are 16, 6 1 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 125, 256, and then we have the 16. So retain the 6, carry forward the 1, 257, 7, carry forward the 25, 1049. So 1049. One digit after the decimal in the number, two digits after the decimal in the answer. So answer is 1049.76. And likewise, you can go on and solve so many different types of questions. See here, we have 5.84 square. Now when I have to do 5.84 square, I'll just forget the decimal ones. I'll take first two digits as A and the last digit as B. So I want a 58 square, then twice of 58 times 4 and then 4 square. So now I want 58 square through the short trick. 5 square 25, 8 square 64, 5 8s are 40, double 80. So 4, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4. So here we have 3, 3, 6, 4, and then I need to multiply 58 by 8. 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 5s are 40, 46, 464, and finally the 16. So similar to the previous method, I am going to do it the same way here also. We have 6 being retained, 1 carries forward here, so this becomes 5, and 46 carries forward here, so this becomes 3410. 3410. Now where do you put the decimal? That is also very important because you have 2 digits after decimal here, 4 digits after decimal in the answer, and 34.1056 is going to be the correct answer for this square. Likewise, we have 78.6 here, so I'll consider 78 and 6 as two different numbers. So I wanted 78 square first. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 7 8s are 56, double 112. So 4, 8, 0, 1 carry 6. So 6084 is the first number which I want, followed by double of 78 times 6. This is what is the middle number, like this, and this will be 12, right? 12 8s are 96. So 6 and a 9 carry. 12 7s are 84, 93. 936 is the middle number here, and then finally we have the last number which is 6 square 36, and then retain the 6, carry forward the 3. So this becomes 6 plus 3 9, retain the 9 and 93 carries forward. So this is 7, then this is 8 plus 9 17, and then the 6. So 617796 is the square of 786, but I have to put the decimal one digit here, so 2 digits in the answer, and there we go. 6177.96 is the square of this decimal number. So friends, see how wonderfully the identity works and how quickly you can find the squares of such numbers so very easily. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp groups, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. Do practice this method of squaring decimals and let me know in the comments below, did it work for you? All the best.